Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to calculate age with the help of date of birth column. So for this purpose, we will use a formula called DATEDIF. So for this, we will type DATEDIF and the first argument is the date of birth. So we will select the cell C2 and we want to calculate the difference between today's date and the date of birth. So for today's date, we will use a function today, and in the third argument, we will write y to calculate the age in years, and we will press enter. And here we can see that this formula has calculated the age in years. So now, if we want to calculate the age in months, so for this purpose, we will just do a minor change, that is, we will type dative function, we will select our date of birth, we will type today, and in the third argument, we will type am here for the month, and we will press enter. And here we can see that this formula has calculated the age in months. So if we can see that from 11th January 2024 and today is July, and the difference between these two is of 5 months. So our formula is correct. I hope you have understood the use of dative function to calculate the age in years as well as in months. Thank you for watching this video.